A very good evening to one and all who's watching this video. And last video I have discussed about something very important, and I promise that I'm going to come up with something very informative. Basically, we were talking about the basics of the grammar. That is, I told you in how the sounds comes up. Each and every alphabet has 4 to 5 sounds. As A has sound, I told you 2-3 examples I have given onto it. And today, what I just want to convey all of you is that how vowel sound plays a very vital role, or it plays a very important role while filling the articles. We all know that there are 3 articles in English, a and the. Now, these are the 3 on which your pronunciation, your framing of the sentences, how you speak, everything depends on this. Whenever we are having the vowel sound, whenever we are having the consonant sound, all the filling of the articles changes, whereas there are definite, indefinite articles we are having. Why we pronounce the and the, when we pronounce the and the. These are all certain things that makes us very confident while speaking if we know the basics or clarity if we are having. So coming up with that, I told you as 5 vowels we had A, E, I, O, U, and rest are all consonants. I also told you in that it is always, we cannot pronounce the word as vowels. It is always vowels. The beauty of the language is that with how correctly we pronounce the word and how with so much of clarity, how much of clarity we can speak the language, right? Now, if we say that, coming to the point over, if we say that we are having 3 articles, a and the. Now, if I take an example, an orange. An orange, when we say, that means it is any orange. Picking up, standing in the market and picking up any orange, we say that an orange. Color is orange. The size of the orange we can see over there. But we never say, an orange means any orange. There is no fix of it. A boy, any boy. But when we say the boy, there is a fix and a particular boy we are talking about. In the same way, when we say the boy, why we say the boy? Because when we pronounce the word boy, B-O-Y, boy, it is always we get the sound of consonant. We are not getting the sound of vowels. Whereas when we speak or pronounce the word orange, an orange, because when we pronounce the word with spelling starting beginning with O, and we are getting a vowel sound O. O is the vowel sound of A. That is the 3rd sound of A, and it's a vowel sound. And therefore, we always say the orange. We never say the orange. An orange for any orange. But when we say the orange, that means again we are talking about the particular orange. The oranges are sour. The apples are sweet in taste. A boy, any boy. The boy, a particular boy we are talking about. In the same way, when we move on, things which are a and an. 3 articles we are having, a and the. They are divided into 2 kinds. A and an, they are indirect, whereas they are unfixed, whereas the is the definite article. So this way we want how definite it is if we say that the rivers. We always say the rivers, we never say the rivers. There is always, we might be hearing people while speaking the language, while conveying the things over there, they always speak the best. There is no such word as the best. It is always the best. Because while pronouncing the word best, B-E, bay, that bay sound is a consonant sound and it is not a vowel sound, and therefore it has to be, and it is the best. Same way, take an example. If I say his wife is European, there's a blank over there. His wife is dash European. Generally, the children in the school, they always make a blunder over there, writing over there and European. When we say European, the word, when we pronounce the word European, though it begins with first and the second letter is a article, E and U. But when we pronounce the word, it is always ya, European. And ya is not a vowel. It is a consonant and therefore it is always a European. A European means any European. The European means any the particular person we are talking about.
आप एमपी में वर्ग 3 की तैयारी कर रहे हैं और टेस्ट लगाना चाहते हैं तो प्ले स्टोर से एमपी परीक्षा ऐप डाउनलोड कीजिए। वहां पर आपको बहुत ही अच्छी टेस्ट सीरीज मिल जाएगी और यदि आप वहां पर मेरा कोड दांगी 50 यूज़ करते हैं तो फ्रेंड्स आपको 50% का डिस्काउंट मिल जाएगा। देखिए, जो टेस्ट सीरीज़ पहले 299 की थी, यदि आप यहाँ पर दांगी 50 कोड का यूज़ करते हैं तो आपको 149 में ये टेस्ट सीरीज़ मिल जाएगी। तो यदि आप किसी भी एग्ज़ाम को क्रैक करना चाहते हैं, अपनी प्रिपरेशन को चेक करना चाहते हैं तो उसके लिए आप टेस्ट ज़रूर लगाइए। इसके अलावा भी यदि आप एमपी से रिलेटेड किसी और एग्ज़ाम की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं, जैसे एमपी कांस्टेबल की, तब भी आप मेरा कोड यूज़ कर सकते हैं। इससे भी आपको यहाँ पर इस टेस्ट सीरीज़ में 50% का डिस्काउंट मिल जाएगा। इसके अलावा यदि आप MPPSC 2022 की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, चाहे प्री की तैयारी कर रहे हैं या मेंस की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, तब भी इसकी टेस्ट सीरीज़ आपको MP परीक्षा ऐप पर मिल जाएगी। यहाँ पर भी यदि आप दांगी 50 कोड का यूज़ करते हैं तो आपको 50% का डिस्काउंट मिल जाएगा। और यदि आप MP हाई कोर्ट की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं तब भी ये टेस्ट सीरीज़ आपको MP परीक्षा कोड पर मिल जाएगी। यानी यदि आप MP से रिलेटेड किसी भी एग्ज़ाम की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं और टेस्ट सीरीज़ को ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं तो प्ले स्टोर से MP परीक्षा ऐप को डाउनलोड कर लीजिए और वहाँ पर टेस्ट ज़रूर लगाइए। इससे आपको ये समझ में आएगा कि आपकी तैयारी कितनी अच्छी हो चुकी है। और यदि आप इसमें 50% का डिस्काउंट चाहते हैं तो मेरा कोड यूज़ कीजिए दांगी 50, तो आपको किसी भी टेस्ट सीरीज़ में 50% का डिस्काउंट मिल जाएगा। इसके अलावा यदि आप CPCT कंप्यूटर प्रोफिशिएंसी सर्टिफिकेट टेस्ट की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, CPCT को क्लियर करना चाहते हैं, तो उसके लिए भी टेस्ट सीरीज़ यानी प्रैक्टिस सेट इस परीक्षा ऐप पर उपलब्ध है। यहाँ पर भी आपको 50% का डिस्काउंट मिल जाएगा मेरा कोड यूज़ करने पर। तो फ्रेंड्स, टेस्ट ज़रूर लगाइए। इससे आपको ये समझ में आएगा कि आपकी प्रिपरेशन कितनी अच्छी हो चुकी है। आपको थोड़ा सा एग्जाम का यहाँ पर माहौल मिल जाएगा।
In the same way, we say the sun set. The sun set. We don't say the sunset. The sunset. Why? When we pronounce the word sun, sun, the sound we get, that is sir, and sir is not a vowel, it is a consonant, and therefore the sun. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. The sun, the moon, but we always say the earth. When we say the sun, that means again the sun is a consonant sound we are getting. The moon, we are getting the consonant sound. Whereas when we pronounce earth, first and second alphabet, they are vowels. And when we pronounce the word earth, we are getting the again sound of a vowel. And because earth is fixed, therefore it is the earth. We never say the earth. All those who are watching the video, please be very sure whenever we are getting a vowel sound, the pronunciation of changes from the to the. And when we have a definiteness over there, definitely it is always the. But make sure before pronouncing the word the, whether we are getting the vowel sound. As earth, I just now said, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, these are all fixed. The Quran, the Bible, these are all fixed. These are all definite. And therefore, because while pronouncing all these, we get the consonant sound. And therefore, we say the. We never say the. An owl, the owl. An owl, when we say, why we say owl? Though the spelling is beginning with OWL. We don't pronounce O over there. what we pronounce? We pronounce owl. That means we are getting a sound of a, and a is a vowel sound, and therefore it is an owl. Any owl. Whenever we say an owl, that means any owl. And why we have used an? Because while pronouncing the word, we are getting vowel sound as a. See the difference between the spelling is starting with O, whereas the sound that we are getting, it is a. Both are vowels. And when I say that it is alphabets, they are having 3 to 4 sounds. These are the phonetic sounds that makes the difference. And when we speak the language, it helps us to speak correctly. These are such basics that we need to know while speaking the language. In the same way, when we talk about B, elephant. B, elephant. Why we say elephant? A. Again, though it is beginning with E, but it is coming up with A. The sound that is we are getting, that is A. An elephant. Any elephant. But when we say the elephant, that means we are talking about a fixed elephant. These are certain things. Whenever, always remember one thing, and both these are interconnected. The sound of a vowel, whenever we are, children do very much, not only children, talking about even the adults, why? Because these are such things that we are unknown to it. When we know the things clearly, the clarity is over there. That means we are able to speak the language finely, effectively. And therefore, when we teach our children, we always try to make sure that whatever we are conveying to the children, they should know the clarity of it, because tomorrow when they are going to speak the language, there should not be any doubt over there. And if this is clear, that means half done. So always remember that if I talk about articles, 3 articles we are having, a and the, they are divided into 2 kinds, definite and indefinite. A and an, they are indefinite, whereas the is definite. And these 3 articles we fill up or we speak, it is totally based on the vowel sounds of all 5 vowel sounds. Whenever we are having vowel sounds, the pronunciation changes from the to the, though it is fixed, and because we are getting vowel sound, therefore we always say the. And whenever we are having consonant sound, the remains the pronunciation as the. And when we talk about indefinite articles, a and an, a boy, an orange. Why an orange? Again, whenever we are having vowel sound, we always, and it is not fixed. When we say an orange, an owl, an elephant, a boy, a girl, a bat, the bat. So, indefinite and definite, it is having a vast difference. Fixed things are always, that doesn't change. Things which are not changed, they never change. They are always definite. And when we get vowel sounds, it is the. And whenever we get consonant sound, it is always the. Things which are indefinite, any talking about, so it is always, wherever we are having a consonant sound, it is a, and we are getting a vowel sound, it is always an. So these are certain things I just want to convey with you all, that how beautifully, if this clarity is over there, if we know how the things correctly, the mind is clear, basics are clear, we are able, definitely we are able to speak the language with very efficiency. So articles and vowels, both are interconnected with each other. So for today, that's all for today. I'll come up with something beautiful, something more informative. Till then, stay tuned and bye. See you. Take care.